Hey guys, Mrs. Stanton here. So we are on topic 18, solving quadratic equations. This is student activity sheet 1. Okay, so here we have Vincent and Bobby, and they have made a water balloon launcher. And they've got it so that they're going to try to get their sisters, Maria and Patricia, with water balloons. So they want to know how long it's going to take them to for these water balloons to get to their tree house. So with it, here they are practicing launching the water balloons. Okay. And so what they've done is they have come up with a graph that's going to show. So they've made a table, and we can see the time that the water balloon is in the air compared to the height in feet that it is being launched. So here we go. They've then taken their table here that we have filled out, and they are going to put it into a graph. And you can see each point is plotted. So they want to know when they should take a picture. So I've gone ahead and I filled in the same exact table that they had. And then I went ahead and I did the same graph that they did, showing the different points from the table. Okay. So now they're asking us, how can we model the motion of a thrown object? So this is, again, the table that they have here and the graph that they made. And what we're going to call this is a quadratic function. Okay. This is also known as a parabola. Okay. With that, what equation models this specific type of function? And that would be y equals negative 16x squared plus 64x. Okay. So question 5 asks us, does this graph match the function of the situation? Okay, and so here is the actual graph of y equals negative 16x plus 64. And the answer is yes, it does match the function if you compare this one to this one. However, the graph extends below the x-axis, this area down here, and it also extends to the negative values of x. These do not match what's up here. And why is that? I want you guys to think of this x-axis is your ground. Okay? And again, this y-axis is your is where time stops there. So with that said, we cannot have these values over here because that signifies height below the ground. And our water balloons cannot go crash against the ground. This over here, not only does it signify below ground, but it signifies negative time. Well, time doesn't go negative. We can't go backwards in time. Okay? Time always stops at 0. So in this unit, we're going to look at these graphs a little bit more and see how what we can do with them.